Iziphathimandla e-Eastern Cape zithi imvula yakamuva icekele phansi imigwaqo nezindlu kwaphinde kwakhukhuleka namabhuloho. Izinkulungwane zabantu ezisale Dengwane ngenxa yezikhukhula eGqeberha zigcine esikhungweni zesikhashana.
Izindlu zethu amanzi angena nje siyadada. Andithethi ke ngabantwana, sinabantwana abancinci. Ukutya kumke namanzi, ingubo ziphelile, sinamaxhekwazi, sinotamkhulu abangakwazi uzenzela nto abathini. So kule meko sikuyo asiyazi uba kuthiwa masithini na ungukhansila. Sicela sithatha sise endaweni erayithi.
Umasipala Buffalo City kuGompo uvale zonke izikole namhlanje ezindaweni ezikhahlanyezwe izikhukhula. Uthi imigwaqo eminingi icekeleke phansi nemfula igcwele nokungaba nobungozi kubafundi abawela lemfula uma beya ezikoleni.
We have closed all our schools in the province in certain identified areas like your Kokama, Kouga, Nelson Mandela, Buffalo City, and Sarah Bartman. Of course, there are also areas like your Jamestown that have also been affected by the damaging snow that have also been affected. So we've sent a communication that instruct principals and district to take precautionary measures.
Kusenjalo kuyaqhubeka ukukhuculula ezingxenyeni zase-Western Cape ngemuva kwezinsuku kuhlasele imvula enamandla. Inhlangano i-Gift of the Givers ize kule ndawo kuzohlinzeka ngosizo kuzakhamuzi ezikhahlamezekile.
We've been contacted by the local disaster management who is trying to get a helicopter in the air today to assist the stranded communities to take some of these relief items into them.
Izangoma zezulu zabe-South African Weather Service zixwayise ngenye imvula enamandla nomoya kulesifundazwe ngalempelasonto.